What did you just say?
I appreciate her being so
TTP.
hospitable to us.
Is there a button?
Hospitable.
Is there a button that makes you do it?
Ow! Why did
I
everyone push him in the face?
We found this ouch button.
Do it. There's an on button.
No, on button. No, freeze on button. Grandma!
Hello.
Yes! We got it!
I got it on. I got it.
You got it!
I got it.
Ah!
I got years of vindication right here.
If we're gonna play that at his wedding, he's gonna be like, "What's up, baby? I do."
Hey, he's mean. Hi, Grandma.
Hello.
Hi, Ash.